So it only has the key on that side. That's to make sure that you open the door for your missus before she hops in, right?
Oh, I don't know if that's
I think it might be right. So I heard that the high roof in these was so the women could have their high beehive hairstyles without hitting the roof. Oh, there you go. You're in. Now, well, then you got to go across to open it, right? Okay.
And look where they put the rear ones at the back.
Right. Okay. So you can't.
They're hard to get to.
So they're hard to get to, right? Yeah, right. Oh yeah, people had longer arms back in them days, right?
I think so. Well, we used to get hit in the back of the station wagon by our
Yeah.
parents.
All right. Well, we'll give this a go and see if we can't get it going. So I'm thinking that if we take this off, just give it one more fire. Give it one more. One more. All right. Well, I'm pretty sure it's fuel. So. So have you ever run the fuel down that low before?
No.
No? Never. Well, give it a boot first, and we'll see if anything comes through this fuel bowl. All right, just wait a minute. We've just been down the petrol station and we've grabbed some fuel, so we'll give it a go. See what happens. All right, we're gonna have to be quick here. So there you go. Go. Oh, beautiful. You didn't even get it. Not a drop spill. Not bad without a funnel. So who was it that was telling you that when they get low fuel, it's...
Yeah, look, I don't know. I can't remember. I've sort of had so many people working on this car over the years that I remember someone saying they've only had old guys working on the car.
Yeah.
One of them said along the way that poured a tank, because I had all the fuel tank and you pick up and everything put in the tank.
Yeah.
And one of them along the way said, geez, it might have even been the guy over at Northgate who did the fuel tank for me.
Yeah, right.
He said quarter tank is empty.
Yeah, okay.
The pickup is.
Well,
I think it's a little bit up the side of the fuel tank.
Yeah.
Not right on the bottom. And I have read that some people actually change that and put it in the bottom of the tank.
Yeah, right. Bend it down a bit. Bend the pickup down a bit. Yeah, right. Okay. All right. Well, I think that's all you're going to get in there. I think we might just chuck a little bit down the carby as well. A bit of fuel in the carby, and see what we can do there. So you don't need much. Just a splash will do. Yeah, I suppose that'll do it, eh? See how it goes. Give it another kick in the guts. All right, just hold on. Well, we've got it humming. Well, it's running. It's idling.
Yeah, that's amazing, eh?
That fuel bowl's filled all the way up now.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Right.
Oh, sorry.
That's all right. Excellent. There you go. Was that easy?
Put on your mark.
All right. No worries, man. You got a screwdriver. We'll put that air filter back on, eh?
Yeah.